Industries are considered as the backbone of any country's economy. They also contribute in the development and economic growth of any country. But they are responsible for varieties of pollution like land, water, air, noise pollution that result degradation of environment and cannot be overlooked. Some of the industrial pollution we will discuss in detail. Air pollution. It is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable and toxic gases in the environment like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Airborne materials contain both solid as well as liquid particles in the dust. Smoke is emitted by the chemical and paper factories, brick kilns, refineries, and smelting plants, and burning of fossil fuels are responsible for air pollution which cannot be overlooked. Air pollution is very much affecting human health, animals, plants, and the entire atmosphere in the society, which cannot be overseen or overlooked. Next is water pollution. It is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and industrial effluent which was discharged without proper treatment into the water bodies. Paper, pulp, chemical, textile, petrochemical, refineries, tanneries, or electroplating industries are responsible for water pollution as they let dyes, detergents, acids, salts, and heavy metals like lead and mercury, pesticides, fertilizers, etc. into the water bodies. Fly ash, phosphogypsum, and iron and steel slags are the major solid waste which are found in the water bodies in India. Next is thermal pollution. It is caused due to the dumping of hot water from factories without cooling it. The thermal power plants are draining the water into rivers and ponds without cooling. Waste from nuclear power plant, nuclear weapon production causes cancer, birth defects and miscarriages. Soil and water pollution are closely interconnected with each other. Dumping of wastes, especially glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluent, packaging, garbage led to soil degradation. Rainwater percolates or seeps down into the soil carrying these pollutants and the ground in groundwater also get contaminated. Noise pollution. It results in irritation, anger, hearing impairment, increase the heart rate and blood pressure and some of the psychological disorders. The unwanted sound makes us irritate as it is a source of stress and headache. Industrial and construction activities like machinery, factory, equipment, generators, saws, and pneumatic and electrical drills also responsible for creating a lot of noise that has to be tackled by putting the earplugs or cotton balls in our ears. Wherever the people are working, they have to take care of their ears as it creates many of the disability among the people. People get irritated by the high pitch of the noise.